Headlines. Promising news about the coronavirus. Australia tests corona vaccine. Ali Larijani took over as Speaker of the Iranian parliament. Chinese medical equipment assistance to Afghanistan. Prohibit eating dog and cat meat in Shenzhen, China. Researchers in Australia have begun testing two possible anti-coronary vaccines in a data-making experiment. These two vaccines were developed by the University of Oxford and the American pharmaceutical company, and the World Health Organization has allowed them to be testing animals. The National Science Foundation of Australia is also tasked with evaluating the efficacy of these vaccines and determining whether their testing on humans will be safe or not. The first human experiment was performed in the United States last month. At that point, one of the experiments on animals had been eliminated. Research work is going on very fast. More than 20 different vaccines are under development. One of them was injected with the voluntary body last week, with the permission of the authorities without any animal testing to check for safety and efficacy. Other scientists are currently undergoing animal experiments and hope to test their product in humans in the coming months. But even if such a vaccine can be made by the end of the year, mass production is not an easy thing to do. Keep in mind that all of this is happening in an unprecedented time frame using new methods, so it may be difficult work. Remember that 4 coronaviruses can now spread to humans. One of them causes the common cold, and we have no vaccine. Ali Larijani took over as Speaker of Iranian Parliament. Parliament Public Relations. Following some sign, the Speaker of the Corona Trial Chamber was removed and given its positive result. He is currently under quarantine and under treatment, while according to the latest statistics from Iranian Ministry of Health, in the past 24 hours, 124 COVID patients have died in Iran and a total of 3,160 deaths. Also, 3,956 patients are in severe condition. Chinese medical equipment assistance to Afghanistan. Today, the first shipment of Chinese aid promised to Afghanistan arrived. The ministry had earlier said that China was going to send 55,000 coronation kits to our country. The United States has also pledged $15.5 million, and the World Bank has also pledged $100 million to help deliver the aid to Kabul airfield. The second Vice President of Afghanistan, Sarwar Danish, said on Thursday. According to him, Corona is a global crisis and requires global cooperation and solidarity. Uzbekistan's aid is set to reach Afghanistan today, including 300 tons of flour, 50 tons of vegetable oil, 150 tons of rice, 50 tons of sugar, 5 tons of soap, and protective clothing. Earlier, the United Arab Emirates had sent 25 coronavirus detection kits to Afghanistan. Prohibit eating dog and cat meat in Shenzhen, China. Chinese authorities banned the eating and selling the dog and cat meats. According to the Reuters, the ban will take effect from May 1st of this year till to another month. Shenzhen is the first city in China to ban the sale of dog and cat meats. This action is being taken to counter the outbreak of the coronavirus, which is linked to wildlife meat. Thank you for being so close with us, and God bless.